Hello student, today's topic is operation on number and subunit is divisibility. In a division, if the remainder is 0, then the dividend is called as the multiple and the divisor is called as the factor. For example, 20 is divided by 5, 5 fours are 20. Remainder is 0, so dividend is called as the multiple and divisor is called as the factor. Now, test of divisibility. First test is divisibility by 2. When the number with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are unit place is exactly divisible by 2. That is, all even number are divisible by 2. For example, 64 is divisible by 4, 0, 80 divisible by 2, 32 is divisible by 2. All even numbers divisible by 2. Second test is divisibility by 3. If the sum of all the digits in the number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. For example, I write some number, take a number. Now, 5 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 7, 22. Addition is 22. 22 is not divisible by 3. So, this number is not divisible by 3. Now, next example, 3642 is this number is divisible by 3. So, I add all digits 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 6, 15 and 15 is divisible by 3. So, this number 6342 is divisible by 3. Check it. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. So, 3642 is completely divisible by 3. We know the next test, divisibility by 5. If the number has the 0 and 5 at unit place, then the number is divisible by 5. For example, 505 is divisible by 5. 420 is divisible by 5. At unit place, see at the unit place, if there is the 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Next test is divisibility by 10. The number which has the 0 at its unit place, then the number is divisible by 10. For example, 400 divided by 10, answer is 40. 410 is divided by 10, answer is 41. Next test is divisibility by 4. If the last two digit is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. For example, 5720. Now, see the unit and tenth place, that is the 20 number, and 20 is divided by 4. So, this whole number 5720 is divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 threes are 12 and 0. See only the last two digit. If the last two digit, the number formed by the last digit is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. For example, 2156. See the last two number 56. 56 is completely divisible by 4. So, this number is also divisible by 4. Next test is divisibility by 6. Now, we learn the divisibility test for 2 and 3. When the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then we say that this number is divisible by 6. For example, 3246 is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 6 also. 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24 and 6 1s are 6. What is the test for divisibility by 6? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then we say that the number is divisible by 6 also. Now next test is divisibility by 9. If the sum of all the digits in the number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. For example, I take the number 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Now 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 7, 27. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9. 27, and 27 is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. Check it. Nines ones are 9. So this number is completely divisible by 9. Now next test is divisibility by 11. If the difference of the sum of the alternate digit is 0 or 11, then the number is divisible by 11. For example, number is 5632. Alternate digit 2 plus 6, that is 8. 3 plus 5, that is 8. And difference of this is 0. So we say that 5632 is divisible by 11. Check it. 11 divisible by 11. 11 5s are 55. 11s are 11. 11 2s are 22. So this number is divisible by 11. 5632 is divisible by 11. Next test is divisibility by 8. If the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. For example, 480. 36,480. See the last 3 digits. 480. If the 480 is divisible by 8, then this number is divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. See the last 3 digit. If the last 3 digit number is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. And this number is divisible by 8. Now divisibility by 7, it is different from the other. Divisibility by 7, if the double of the unit place number is subtracted to the remaining numbers, remaining digit number, then when the subtraction is 0 or it is the multiple of 7, then the number is divisible by 7. For example, I take the number 105. The unit place is 5. 5 is double, that is 5 into 2, 10. And remaining number is also 10. 10 minus 10, that is 0. The subtraction is 0. So this number is completely divisible by 7. Or subtraction is multiple of 7, then also the number is divisible by 7. I take the number 3549. Last digit is 9. 9 into 2, that is double of the unit place, 18. and 18 is subtracted from the remaining number. 336, and this number is, if divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. So this remaining sum, remaining difference is divisible by 7. So this number is exactly divisible by 7. Next question is 972's 9 and 864's. Find this number. This is the relation. What is that relation? 972 is exactly divisible by 9, and answer is 108. So which 864 is exactly divisible by 5? No. 7? No. 11? No. Answer is 8. And 8 divided by 864 divided by 8, answer is 108. Nine 972 is divisible by 9 and 864 is divisible by 8. This number is not divisible by 5, 7 and 11. Next is 777 is exactly divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 777 is exactly divisible by 7. So which alternative factor show all the prime factor of the 777? So factor of 777, I find the factors. It is divisible by 7. Answer is 111. It is also divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. And 37 ones are 37. So factor of 777 is 7 into 3 into 37. So our answer is 3, 7, 37 are the prime factor. This is also factor, but 111 and 777 are not a prime number. So our answer is option number 2. Our answer is option number 2. Next question is 143, 253, 363, 473. All these numbers are divisible by. First option is 2. These numbers are odd number, so not divisible by 2. Now 3 divisible. If this number is divisible by 3, add the digit. 5 plus 3, 8, not divisible by 3. So all these numbers are not divisible by 3. 2, 5, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 is not divisible by 3. So we see the next test 7. 7 2s are 4. Remainder is 3. So it is not divisible by 7. Now it is divisible by 11. Alternate number 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 plus 2, 5. 5, it take a 0. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. So these 4 numbers are divisible by 11. Use the test for divisibility by 11. Next question. Which of the following is not a factor of 225? First one is 2. And now this number is not a factor. This is an odd number. This is a divisible by 2. That is not an even number. So our answer is option number 1. Check the divisibility test for 3, 5 and 9. This number is divisible by 3 also, 5 also, 9 also, but it is not divisible by 2. So it is 2 is not a factor of 225. The number 3 star dot 6 is exactly divisible by 9 and star is less than 1 by star equal to dot minus 1, that is this number is greater than 1 by star, then which of the following digit can replace by star? Now what is the divisibility test for 9? When the sum of all the digit is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Now 3 plus 6, you know the digit 3 and 6, 3 plus 6 equal to 9, and these two number, next is 9 plus 9, 18. So when the sum is 18, the number is divisible by 9. It is greater than 9. 6 plus 3, 9. So this number is also greater than 9. 9 plus 9, star plus dot equal to 9. So 9 plus 9, that is 18, and 18 is divisible by 9, so this number is divisible by 9. So our sum of the star and the dot must be 9, and star is less than 1 from this number. When I put the 4 number, 4 plus 5, that is 9. So replace the star by 4. If I put the 5, option number 1, when I put the value of star is 5, then dot equal to 6. So 6 plus 5, 11. So 11 and 6 plus 3, sum is not divisible by 9. So option 1 is wrong. And option number 2, put the value of star equal to 4, dot equal to 5, the addition 3 plus 6 equal to 9, and star plus dot 4 plus 5 equal to 9, and 9 plus 9 addition is 18. So we put the value of star equal to 4. So answer is option number 2. Next question is, all the factors of the product of 4, 5 and 6 are. First we have to find the product. Product is 4 into 5 into 6. 120. Product is 120. Now write all the factors of 120, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 1 into 20, 120, 2 into 60, 120, 3 into 40, 120, 4 into 30, 120, 5 into 24, 120, 6 into 20, 120, 8 into 15, 120, 10 into 20, 120. I write all the factors of 120. So our answer is option number 4. Now next question is, all the digits in 6-digit odd number are same. Which of the following is its factor? For example, I take the number 1111. 11,111. 3-digit number. All the digits are same. It is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. Then I take 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 33,000, 3,33,333. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6 equal number digits in 6-digit number. I take all the odd numbers are same in 6-digit number. Nine lakh 99,999, and all these numbers are divisible by 3. Check out the answer. 2, not, these numbers are not divisible by 2. These are all odd numbers. These numbers are all numbers are divisible by 3, because the sum of the numbers are divisible by 3. 6 पंचवीस सायन्स बेचाळीस 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. All these numbers are divisible by 3. These numbers are not divisible by 4. These numbers, only this number is divisible by 5. Other number are not divisible by 5. So our answer is option number 3. Use the test for divisibility by 3. Sum of all digit is divisible by 3. Next question is star 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 3 star is 3-digit odd number. If the face value of star is the same in each place, then which number is the following is its factor? And option are 2, 3, 4, 6. Face value is same, that is all the digits are equal. Face value is that the same value. So all the digits are equal and it's are odd number. For example, star may be 1, 1, 1, star may be 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7 or 9, 9, 9. And all these number is divisible by 3. This is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. Add number 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21 divided by 3, 5, 15 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3. All these numbers are divisible by 3. This number are not divisible by 4. This number is not divisible by 2. So this number are not divisible by 6. So our answer is these numbers are only divisible by 3. Next question is select the number from the following which is exactly divisible by 7. Use the divisibility by 7 test or simply divide each number. First number is 357. 7 5s are 35, 7 1s are 7. This number is exactly divisible by 7. So our answer is 1. Do not check the other number. Don't need to check other number. Question number 13. If the factor and the multiple has only one factor other than 1, then what type of number is it? Prime number, compound, odd, or neither prime nor compound? This is the prime number. Prime number has only factor and multiple has only one factor and other than 1. For example, 13 has only one factor, 1 and 13. 17 has only one factor, 17 and 1. 97 has only one factor, 97 and 1. Next question is, what is the quotient of division in which the dividend and the divisor are same number? Dividend and the divisor, for example, 25 divided by 25. Here dividend is 25 and divisor is 25. 25 divisor, 25 dividend, this is called as the dividend. This is a divisor. Twenty-five ones are 25. Now 1 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Now check this 4 option. Quotient and dividend are equal. Not. It is not equal. So this option is wrong. Quotient equal to remainder. Not. Quotient is not a 0. Quotient equal to 1. This is the correct one option. Quotient equal to divisor. This is also wrong. When dividend and divisor are equal, so I take the 25 is divisor and 25 is dividend. So our option 3 is correct answer. If the divisor exactly divides the dividend, then the divisor and quotient are dash of the dividend. For example, I divide the 20 by 5. 5 4s are 20. 20 is completely exactly divides the dividend. So 4 and 5, that is the quotient and the divisor, are the factors of the 20, factors of the dividend. 4 into 5. So answer is the factors. Now next question is, observe the table and find how many prime numbers are there in each column rather than the first and last column. Now this is called as the columns. Vertical rows are called as columns and horizontal called as the rows. So we only consider the columns only. Rather than the first and last, not see at the first and last, only see second, third and fourth column. And which are the prime numbers? 7, 8, 7 is the prime number. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 2 plus 13, 13, then 17, here also a 2, 19 and 23, here is also 2. Each column there is only 2 find out how many prime numbers are there in each column rather than the first and last column. That is option number 1. Answer option number 1. Now observe the table and find how many numbers are not prime in first column. See only first column. See only first column. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. 7 is a prime number. 13 is the prime number. 19 is a prime number. How many numbers are not prime in the first column? There is the only one number which is not a prime number. So only 7, 13, 19 are the prime number, and which are not prime number? 1 and 25 are not a prime number. So our answer is option number 2. There are only 3 prime number and remaining 2 are not a prime number. So option number 2. Choose the correct alternative. Numbers divisible by 2 and 5 are exactly divisible by 10. It is correct. The factor of 10 is 2 and 5. The number which is divisible by 10, it is also divisible by 2 and 5. This option is correct. The numbers which are exactly divisible by 6 are multiple of 2 and 3. Correct sentence. Factor of 6 is 2 and 3. All the multiples of 7 are odd number. I write the multiple of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28. These are the even number. These are the even number. These 7 and 21 are odd number. So not all numbers are odd number. So this is the wrong option. So our answer is option number 3. Now next question is, if a number is exactly divisible by 2 and 13, then both the numbers is exactly divisible by 2 into 13, that is 26. So this number is also exactly divisible by 26. Answer is option number 1. Last question is, the number which are exactly divisible by 20 are also exactly divisible by factors of 20. Are 2, 4, 5 and 10 are the factors of the 20. So option number 3.